Hello, Cade the Makery, Mischief here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be working on my 1941 Ford 9N. This will probably become a series of working on this tractor. So today, we're going to have episode 1 of working on my 1941 Ford 9N. So let's get started. So first off, we'll be replacing some of the radiator hoses. I just ordered in new hoses. So we're going to be replacing this really old cracked up one. And also, there's another one up here. So let's get started. So guys, first we have to take these brackets off. I already took the screws out on them. So, we got that one. And now we should be able to just wiggle it out. Oh, you can see some drippage starting down there. So guys, while that's draining out, I'm going to tell you a little backstory on this tractor. So I got this around 1 or 2 years ago, and a guy just gave it to me. So that was really cool. Last year, I think, at Camp P&V, I showed you like a montage video with me driving this tractor. We've had a couple problems with it lately. Well, even when that video was being filmed, it didn't really run very well. So that's why we're doing all this work and stuff. We have a tractor parade coming up, which I'm going to also film and put it on my YouTube channel. And I'm hoping to be able to drive this one. So we're going to put like a whole bunch of stuff on it. So make sure and subscribe. I noticed you guys have been loving the videos lately. My second to last video almost has 1,000 views. And I've got like, I'm almost at 80 subscribers. So that's crazy, guys. Thanks for all the support. Okay, guys, I think all the stuff is finally out. There's a whole bunch of stuff in there. It looks like green slime or something. So that's what the inside of that looks like. It's a little bit rusted. So I might try to wipe some of that out. Now, this side should come out too. Just like that. Here's the old piece compared to the new piece. I hope it fits. This one looks a little smaller. So now you guys can see the hose we're going to be working on here. Might be pretty hard because the screwdriver slot is like way back there. I think it's made to take the hood off and then do that, but it's super hard to get the hood off. And the steering wheel is also stuck on the tractor. So we really don't want to take it off. Okay guys, I finally did it. Took me probably 20 minutes, maybe half an hour. And I finally got the screws off here. Seemed like it took me ages and ages. There's that one. I'll probably definitely have to replace that one, which I'm taking this hose off and this filter, and this is like a brand new one that I put on like last year, so it's pretty new still. Now time for the one that's going to be really hard. It's right up in there, that little bugger. Okay, so what I had to do last time is I had to use a wrench and this little mini screwdriver thingamajig. So I had to put the wrench on the other side. Okay. You want to see where that thing fell? Yep. You probably guessed it. Right in the antifreeze. Let's see if we can see it with the flashlight. Nope. Okay. Don't know, should I stick my hand in there? Should I get a magnet? It's kind of slimy down there. Sorry, Pete. Your wrench took a bath today. So guys, I'm actually gonna leave that screw since it's in such an awkward area. I'm going to take these off, and then I think I'm gonna save that one up there for when my uncle gets here so he can help me. So guys, since the other way was super hard, I thought maybe if I just wiggled these off and then bent it, then I would be able to get a better like shot at it, because that thing is in my way when I'm trying to get that bolt out. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, 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 shoot. No, no, no. That wasn't supposed to happen. All that was supposed to come out there. Let's try this again. Put this under here. Okay guys, I took a little break, got a new camera battery, and now we're gonna get back on this. Got both the hoses out. I think we're gonna try to bend this thing up so that we have a easier time getting to it. Okay, that's the part I'm trying to take off right there. I think we figured out it was a 1/2 inch. There we go. I don't know what's holding all the hoses up right now. Probably just old rust and dirt, but the whole thing should just come falling down. There we go. She's out. So guys, I'm about done for the day. Closed up shop, worked on that bolt a little bit more. Couldn't get anywhere on it. So we'll try again tomorrow. See you guys in the morning. So guys, it's been a couple days since you've last seen my tractor. We've worked on it quite a bit off camera. My uncle made these things. We're gonna put a nut in there, and then one of the American flags that are over here in this box, they're gonna shoot out on each side. So they're about 30 inches tall and 1 foot by 18 inches. So they're relatively large for small flags. And then on the back, my uncle made a giant one for a whole, like a full size flag. So I have a really cool flag that I'm gonna show you guys when I'm in the parade. And then over here, as you guys can see, I got the old hoses off and I put the new ones on. With the old hose, I had a really hard time getting one of those hose clamps off. I actually had to use a saw it off, and we got both those on there. I did that off camera. It was kind of boring. So then we thought we had the right plugs for these two holes here and then there, or up here. But they were actually too large, so we need to go get new ones. So that's about all for my tractor. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video of episode 1 of me working on my tractor. Hopefully I'll have an episode 2 coming out before the actual tractor parade. We still have a couple things to do, like we have to get the plugs in there and then put in new spark plugs. And hopefully, if we have time, we can replace the wires for the spark plugs and the cap and rotor. But the spark plugs might just do the trick. So we'll see that in the next video. See you guys later.